Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you what you need to do for week 6. So if you scroll down on our site, I'm just going to close a couple of these, to the 13th through the 19th, you'll be studying comparatives and superlatives this week. If you scroll past the decorative picture, you'll see it says to study pages 161 to 165 and pages 172 to 173. After completing this week's assignment, you should be able to compare objects and people, as well as be able to describe people or things using superlatives. All of this week's assignments are due by the end of the day, 2/16/2017, and these assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 6. Okay, so the first thing that you'll want to do is go down here. It says, just like in every other week, you're going to want to watch your instructor-made videos. So open the book. Here you have a video on comparisons of quality, another one on inequality, and one on superlatives. Watch all 3 of those videos and then come back out of this. And once you've watched all 3 of those videos, then go in the class participation forum, and you will want to click on class participation. I can see someone's already posted, and then you will just post any questions or concerns. You'll hit reply and post any questions or concerns that you have about the material in the videos, or any other questions or concerns you have about the class. And even though you may have no questions or concerns, you still need to post in the forum. It does count as a grade. Okay, so then once you're done with that, you'll go down here. You've got a cultural assignment this week. You're going to click on the Costa Rica assignment. You are going to open all 4 of these videos. And if you look down here, the videos are in Spanish, but I've given you the closed captions in English, so you can just click on English. You hit play. And you can see while the person is speaking in Spanish, you also have the captions here in English. So you'll need to watch all 4 of those videos. When you finish the videos, then hit attempt quiz now. You only get 1 attempt. And I think all of these this time happen. No, there's a few short answers. So it's mostly true and false with a few short answer. Remember that if there are short answer questions, the computer is more than likely going to mark them wrong, because it's really hard for you to write the answer in the exact wording with the exact punctuation that I use. So just remember that I have to go in and manually grade these. So do not bombard my email with a lot of emails telling me that you did better on the quiz than your grade reflects. I know this, and I will be going back in and fixing them, but I will not go back in until after the due date. So if you guys are working ahead and you get to this week, just be aware of the fact that if you score 45, that 45 is going to stay in the grade book until I get to the week in which the assignment is due, because I'm only going to grade week by week. Okay, then after you're done with the quiz, you also have some assignments in My Language Labs. Tells you to do 515, 517, 519, 24, 38, 39, and 45. So you click right there, go to My Language Labs. Okay, so once you're in My Language Labs, which I chose to open it in a different browser, click on the alarm clock on the 16th. Your assignments are going to pop up in the middle. Remember, you might want to go back and check Moodle again. Here in Moodle, I've told you that you just have to do SAM activities, but if you go out to the calendar, you're going to see a grammar tutorial and some extra practice. Remember that these are things that are they are extra. You do not have to look at them. It's only if you have extra time or you have questions and concerns and you need extra explanation. But here are the assignments that were assigned in My Language Labs. You want to make sure you complete all of those. Just hit finish and submit on each assignment, and then you are done by the week. Just make sure that you complete them by the 16th, the due date.